Hello team, welcome to Module 26, and in Module 26 we are going to look at creating custom menus. Now these are really important, especially when you are now starting to build your pages, you are having posts, you've got categories, you've got a sidebar. You really need to make your site very easy for people to navigate around the site and find the information that they are looking for. And we simply do that with creating custom menus. And again, whether this custom menu feature is there will depend on the theme that you are using. And that's why I recommend that you start with the 2011 WordPress theme. So let's jump right in. So we come back over to appearances and we come to menus. And at the moment we have no menus. So on this page itself we actually have the ability to create a menu. We have custom links where we can link to other pages in our website, or we can link to external sites. We have pages and we have categories. Now, what we need to do is, first of all, create a menu. Now, I want you to be really careful as you do this, because a lot of people don't fill out a necessary field inside this area of WordPress, and everyone simply goes ahead and puts a page menu or a page menu in and call it home. Well, if you think about indexing your site, can you think of the millions of web pages that are out there that are just simply have a home menu? So we're going to be more specific so we can help our site get indexed in the search engines, and it also helps our text-speech indexing. So up here we have main menu. So at the moment I'm going to call this home social media industry. So I'm going to create that menu, and here is our menu now created. Now what we want to do is we want to put our pages under our home social media industry menu. But you might notice something here. Our actual home page is missing. So what we need to do is we need to view all, select all, and add to our menu. And here they are now. So at the moment, this is how our site is looking. We have a home page. We have About Us, which is the parent page, with our child page, social media contributors, and Contact Us. So let me refresh my web browser, and we are here. And what has happened? Nothing, because we now need to do a bit more work in the back engine of WordPress. What we need to do is we need to come to theme locations, and here you will see primary menu. Here is the menu, home social media industry. Let's save that menu. Let's save our menu here again, because I like to make sure that we are saving our changes. Let's come back to our site and let's refresh our web browser again. Now here we are, home, About Us, social media contributors is no longer a child of About Us and Contact Us. Well, we can still make more changes here. We can move things around here. So if we want to have Contact Us under home and then About Us, if we want to, we can actually move social media contributors up here, or if we want to make it a child of contact us, we simply drag it over so it is indented, save that menu, and then come back to our site and refresh our web browser. And here you can see we have home, contact us, social media contributors, and about us. Now, one thing I do want to point out is there are a lot of widgets inside WordPress that you can actually have down your main sidebar. My recommendation is don't get too carried away with them, because otherwise they will distract from your main content of where you want your visitors to be, and it becomes too busy. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard again, and let's look at custom links. So I want to create a custom link to, let's use the Webmastery Academy. So I need to put in the URL here, so that is www.thewebmasteryacademy.com. I can give this title, this URL, I'm sorry, a label, and I will call it exactly what it is, the Web Mastery Academy, and I can add that to the menu. And here is a link to the Web Mastery Academy. So let's save that menu. Let's go back to our site. Let's refresh our web browser. And here we have it. Home, contact us, about us, and a link to take us to the Web Mastery Academy. Let's open that in at the Web Mastery Academy. So let's close that link. Let's come back to our WordPress dashboard and let's look at categories. Now, we could also put our categories in this menu as well. So if I mark social media news, we can add to menu. We could save that. Let's come back to our site. Let's refresh our web browser. And here we have social media news. So you can see that there is a lot that you can do with your custom menus. So Professor Click's homework is for you to simply come into your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, come to Menus, create a menu, and again just put in some pages, put in some of the categories that you've created, create child pages if you like, just by simply moving these things along and letting them go, or putting them back over here. This is all drop and drag. There is nothing that you can break, and there is nothing that you cannot undo. And I will see you over in Module 27.